Hello! So, tingnan nyo guys ang Christmas decoration namin. Yan. At, of course, today is Tuesday. So, nakapaglinis ako ng bahay. Ganyan yung gawain ko every Tuesday or Wednesday. Kasi 2 days off ko. Tommy, I'm ready!
Alright, let's go!
Alright!
Alright, we're ready to go! Oh, let's ready to go!
Come on, let's go!
Okay, so we shopping!
Nagbabasa siya ng libro. Tingnan ko. Susot ako guys ng white shoes. Malamig dito sa amin ngayon. There guys, about 34 degrees today. And cold. Hey guys, so the snow are slowly gone.
Snow's melting. See you, snow.
Yeah.
Goodbye and good riddance. Don't come back no more, no more. Don't come back no more.
So I like to see snow, but yesterday guys, yeah, there were a lot of snow yesterday, but I did not take a video because I worked yesterday. We are already here in the parking lot. So yeah, we are going to TJ Maxx and my husband is going with me.
For a minute, yeah.
Because it's we are bored. It doesn't mean that we are going to shop. We are gonna buy a lot. We just gonna look around, right?
We're gonna look around, yeah. We're looking for her Christmas present.
Yeah.
I don't want to buy something she doesn't like, so looking for a coat.
Yeah, that's one of my wish list. My everyday coat, like this black coat.
Those are nice
It's kind of everyday coat too, but I always wear this, and it's kind of short, and my butt is cold.
It's just a little cold. Mask up.
Mask up. Alright guys, we are ready. We're gonna rob the bank.
Yes ma'am. Yes we are.
Open sesame.
Hi.
Hello. Extra small.
Large.
Yeah.
You're not large.
Yeah. So guys, I'm looking for a coat, yellow.
I had to get it online to get yellow.
Yeah.
There are no coats around here, brother.
Guys, so we are here in the park because my husband is gonna feed his ducky again. And yeah,
Here comes Daddy.
Yeah, I got this from Ross. Yeah, it's only $5.99.
That's expensive. You know, that's real diamonds.
No.
That's real gold.
Yeah, just cheapy. So, yeah guys.
Come on, I quack.
Yeah, the ducky knows that my husband is here.
There we go.
So they know their daddy.
Daddy's ready to give them a little lunch.
Yeah.
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime.
Quack, quack, quack,
Oh, yeah, I heard them.
quack.
I didn't know that he's here. Ito lang guys, nag-park kami dito. And then, dito ang mga ducky. Ito guys, yung snow. Ayan, patunaw na. May araw kasi ngayon. Kahapon, mostly kahapon, cloudy lang siya. Walang araw. So, ngayon lang talaga siya natunaw. Ayan. Poopy. Hi, Ducky. So guys, yeah, we're done here in the park. So guys, nakauwi na kami, and then my husband gift is already here. It's not surprise anymore because I'm the one who chose the code, because my husband don't want mistake, because he knows that if I don't like it, I will not
wear it. Oh, it's picky. No, it's a personal thing, you know. You can take your best guess. It's not like buying her a diamond necklace or something like that, which she's not going to get anyway. Or some nice gold necklace, which she's not going to get either. But it's a nice coat, which is more personal.
My husband, guys, usually he don't buy me a bag, a dress, because
I don't want to hear, I don't like. I don't like.
Also, guys, this one, he got this last time, last year, last 2 years, huh?
2 years? Really?
I don't know. So maybe just last year, he got this for me, Bolova watch. It's silver because I asked him a silver watch, and still I didn't use it yet because it's still kind of big. So he's gonna adjust this. Where are you?
It's my watch repair tool.
Oh, so guys, this is my husband got from Aldi. Lots of onions. Onions. And boiled eggs, and we will have this tonight. Chicken with Cajun. Yeah, love that.
Do we think throw some onions in there? See what happens?
No need.
This is a watch kit. I've used it. I've changed my watches, but it's been a long time, so I have to go back to YouTube to learn how to use the watch toolkit again. But this one can take out some links, so it'll fit her little skinny wrist better. This is a nice watch.
What else? Just red bell pepper and what is this? Protein bar. Do you like to see the instructions?
Okay, so you know how to open it?
No,
huh?
I don't.
Okay, you just go like this. You just press these two things on the outside.
Oh, that's easy.
Easy peasy, Philippinese.
Right, guys, look at this watch repair tools.
Take a link
We have this last night, guys. Hindi pa nauubos. And then we have apple here.
I'll take 2 links out.
So guys, I didn't eat lunch, so egg is
all over the floor.
my husband is busy.
I'm busy. I'm too busy.
So guys, we went to 4 different stores today.
We did?
We went to Kroger, we went to TJ Maxx, we went to Burlington, we went to Ross, and Aldi. Did I say Aldi? Protein bar. So guys, time is 5:20 and my husband.
She's been sleeping for 2 hours.
Yeah.
Show me your new watch. Where'd your watch go? Oh, you put it away?
Yeah, I put it away. It's good. So now my watch is now working.
It's working and it fits.
Yeah.
She can wear it to the zoo.
Oh, let's turn on the light.
Turn on the light, big guy. How come you moved it away from here? What?
Because I cleaned the floor earlier.
The floor. There we go.
There.
Got it into the holes. We got it on changing. Oh, changing.
Oh. Christmas light. Oh, the star.
Oh, the star didn't go on. What happened to the star?
What happened to the star?
I don't know. You messed around with it too much.
Tom,
What?
here, hold this.
Fix it. There it is. Oh, there it is.
It's working earlier. There. Yay!
Gotta plug it in. Star's working. Star of wonder, star of night. Star is her sister-in-law.
So yeah guys, ito ang aming dinner. Ayan, may leftover pa akong rice kahapon. Hindi kasi ako kumain ng rice kaninang umaga. And then, ayun guys, na-receive na pala ng pamilya ko ang package na sinend namin last 2 months. Yeah, 2 months kasi siya bago dumating sa amin. So, ayun, binuksan nila. Ayan, papakita ko na lang sa inyo guys. Kakain muna kami. And then, papakita ko na lang sa inyo yung pag-unboxing nila. Magulo lang yung video, pero okay naman. Sige guys, see ya.
Oh, girl, ano ka? Mag-ano?
Oh no, Pasto! Nice. Pasto! That is a wine glass. Yes! The American novels and stories. Okay. Oh, the white book.
Pakita pa.
Yeah.
Parang pizza ya.
Amazing.
Oh, dito ko na ya sa work. Kita na.
Yeah.
Ang cellphone.
Get your cellphone and knock you. Oh. Shoes. That's not shoes. That's not shoes. Tools. For display. Wow, hearts.
Duma, pakita.
Just reading books.
Wow.
What is this?
Pwede siya. Oo ma.
This is
Wow.
That is so cool.
Yan pala eh. Huh?
Yan, ganyan mo. Yan, ganyan na siya. Can I try?
Yeah.
yeah.
Wow, picture. Ala ka, kaganda. Picture natin sa kawasan.
This is like magic.
Yeah.
Wow!
Wow.
Wow!
Wait, can I get it?
Igaganon to. Dama?
What's this?
Igaganon yan.
Oh, yeah.
Tapos ano? Kaganda. Yan sinasabi ni Chiro na mama huwag ka nang magbili-bili dyan.
This is so beautiful.
Beautiful, really. Wow! Andito pa ista. Yan.
There's another one.
Tayo ng family photo frame.
Shoot.
Kay Jeremy.
These are
This is
so
for Jeremy.
Jeremy's gonna be so happy.
Ulani.
Jeremy's gonna go like,
Kay Carl. Wow, Carl.
For you. What can you say?
Carl, come here. Dali.
thank you. It actually fits.
Thank you, Tita Cherona.
Thank you, Tita Cherona.
Yan.
Wow, wow, wow.
May kadima.
Saluyo lang ang mga portahan. Ang ganda.
Daw.
Nako.
Kasosyal ah.
Kasosyal man to. Haluyo na yung portahan.
Oh, yung sasabit la.
Haluyo yung portahan. Ayun.
Ha? Oh, halo yula. Oo, CR.
Ilalagay mo ito mas sa may pintuan.
Look, it fits.
Saan pa? Try natin.
Sabi ko ba sa pintuan sa likod?
Diri pa, sulod.
Yun nga.
Oh, so ganit. Haigbaw. Yung sasabit talaga tiya. Oh.
For dress, you can hang it. Diba,
Oh, yeah.
Wow, kasya!
So why let Lolo and Lola Wow!
Whoa! Wait, what is this? This is a weird plant. You're blocking my phone.
Nagbibideo pala si Carl.
Wow!
Wow!
Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower. Give me the Eiffel Tower. I love Eiffel Tower. I don't know. That's the Eiffel Tower.
Lalagyan na naman sukuran.
Wow!
That is for toothbrush.
Toothbrush ba ini? Diri ada. Lipstick.
Wow!
Ooh, this is like
Ah, ang bigat.
Nakatayo.
for
Yan.
not heavy for me.
Yeah, that's heavy.
Ayan na yung
That's the decoration for the Christmas tree. Oh.
Sa gitna ng
Sa table. Center table.
Or si Lola lang.
A dress.
Ay, mga kutsara.
Kutsara.
Amo na yung organizer.
Yung sa drawer.
And another dress.
Mapakita nga, di ba?
Lola, you please get this and get
Kay Papa.
Lolo.
Magaan lang siya.
Magic.
Plastic siya, ma.
Oo. Plastic lang. Magaan lang yan.
Oh, that's magic.
Yun na yung mga pinggan, no?
Ayan, microwavable, oh.
Ayan,
Man, amo ito man mga plato ni ate. Damo ito napulo ada.
Microwave sipo.
Ooh, this is
Magaan lang.
Pag mag-outing.
microwavable. This is too many microwavable.
Girl.
Kaya mo yan, anak.
Yeah.
Kaya mo yan.
Lolo, can we?
wow, yulong ni.
Is that for Lola?
Wow.
That's for Lola.
Yes. Okay, hindi kayo. Sakto na. Dapat to.
Oh, this is for the food.
Fruits, ma, fruits.
May mga fruits out. Dito na natin ilalagay. Oh, go.
Ganda.
Can I hold it?
Ay, Jana.